Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a kitchen gadget that promises to change the way you cook. We are talking about the Rosewill 1800-watt induction cooker. If you have ever felt like your stovetop is just too slow, or you are looking for a portable solution for your studio apartment, RV, or just extra burner space during the holidays, this might be exactly what you need. Let us start with the core technology. Unlike traditional electric burners that heat up a coil and then transfer that heat to your pot, this unit uses magnetic induction. It generates a magnetic field that directly heats your compatible cookware. This is why it is so fast. When you set this to high, the pot heats up almost instantly. Because you are not wasting energy heating the air around the burner, it is about 20% more energy efficient than standard cooking methods. The versatility here is really impressive. You get 8 different power levels, ranging from 300 watts all the way up to 1800 watts. If you prefer to cook by temperature, you have 8 presets from 150 degrees up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you are doing a low and slow stew, a delicate simmer, or a high heat sear, you have granular control. Plus, it includes a 3-hour timer, so you can set it and walk away without worrying about leaving the burner on. Design-wise, it looks great on any countertop. It features a high-gloss anti-scratch ceramic glass panel. It is sleek, modern, and perhaps best of all, it is incredibly easy to clean. Since the surface itself does not get nearly as hot as a traditional electric range, food rarely burns onto the glass. You can just wipe it down with a cloth after it cools, and it looks brand new again. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the speed is undeniable. The fact that it comes with a high-quality 3.5-quart stainless steel pot right out of the box adds significant value. It is portable, so you can take it anywhere with a power outlet, and the safety features are top-notch. You get over 7 built-in safety protections, including a lock function so you do not accidentally change your settings while cooking. On the flip side, you have to keep in mind that induction only works with magnetic cookware. If your current pans are made of copper, aluminum, or glass, they will not work. A simple test is to see if a magnet sticks to the bottom of your pot. If it does, you are good to go. Also, while the touch controls are very intuitive, they do require a clean finger to register properly. Overall, the Rosewill induction cooker is a fantastic investment for anyone looking for speed, efficiency, and a clean aesthetic in the kitchen. It is a powerful tool that makes meal prep faster and more precise. If you are looking to upgrade your cooking game, this is a solid choice. Link in the description.